Hello everyone. Today we are discussing about the difference between DBMS and RDBMS. In DBMS, it stands for Database Management System, and RDBMS stands for Relational Database Management System. It is a software used to store and manage the data, and it is advanced versions of DBMS based on table. In DBMS, data are stored in file, but in RDBMS, data are stored in table. In DBMS, it has low security, but in RDMS, it provide high security, and it support only single user in DBMS, and it support multiple users for RDBMS, and it does not support normalization. But in DBMS, it does not support normalization, but in RDBMS, it support normalization, and it have high data redundancy. In DBMS को के छ हाई डेटा redundancy हुन्छ but in low data integrity and high data redundancy, and in RDBMS it have low data redundancy and high data integrity. For example, in FirePro is the examples of DBMS, and MySQL, SQL Server, etc are the examples of RDBMS. Please subscribe and like the video. Thank you.